Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a house like this, a little bit like it, just using this. So basically, as you can see, it looks nothing like it, and I'm going to be doing it right now. So basically, these are materials that we need. A lot of other materials are right here. Okay, so yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, we need that. So basically, the measurements are on the screen right now. It's 5 by 7. So first of all, let's fill in this with a block of diamond, like, you know, how rich people use it. Okay, and then we put it in here, and this time we're not actually gonna put it all the way through. We're just gonna put doors in here. This way, better and more useful, because then you can actually go through the door. So after you go through the door, you'll find this. Okay, not the holes in the ground. These are were not meant to be here. Okay, so first of all, let's do this. We need to make the floors and the walls. So let's make it a little bit more. Okay, so these are, let's make it like a few extra blocks long. Okay. Okay guys, so I need you to tell me if you like this video, like if you like the millionaire mansion video, how you want me to improve it so I can actually like make it better, and you guys can actually like gain more of it. Okay, so we've done this. So now we just need to do the tone. So guys, make sure you go to my Twitch. It's on the screen right now. It's basically I upload there, not as much as this channel, but I still upload there. Okay, so first of all, okay, we need to do this. Let's make it a little bit taller. Okay, so if you're asking why I made it a little bit taller than the actual like door, it's probably because like it's gonna look cooler at the end. You guys will see. Okay. Oh guys, we're also gonna add a swimming pool, just to make it like a real millionaire mansion. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen like a lot of like millionaire mansions. These words like come up a lot when you, right? Like when you write in house tutorials and stuff, just comes up with millionaire mansion, billionaire mansion, and stuff like that. Today I'm just making a millionaire mansion, but I might do a billionaire mansion soon. So yeah, let's take out with that. Okay, now we're just doing. What's happening? Do you see that? That block was like glitching a little. Okay, just keep it going. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button for more content like this. I know I make pretty cool content. You don't have to tell me twice to believe that. Okay, so you can make it however long you want, but just to make this video shorter and more useful, we're just gonna make this like not that long. Okay, so what we want to do right now, so it looks more like cool from the outside, is first of all we want to do this. You want to do that, yeah. I keep destroying random stuff. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay, and then so now it's floating. That's what you'll have to see. Okay, just keep building. And there we go. Now I'm pretty sure it's basically as tall as the wall in the front. And I need to fix the inside wall in the front. Looking way better right now. And I need to fix the inside. See guys, it's looking way better right now. Okay. Oh wait, we've got one of the most important, the entry. The entry, that's like one of the most important parts out there. Okay, there. Okay guys, so you can decorate it whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave it blank for now. Just to make this video not... Wait, what happened? Just to make this video not like that long for you guys. Because I know you wanna... Most people wanna get like this over with. No, I respect that. So I'm just gonna make this video real quick. Most YouTube videos about house tutorials usually take like 1 or 2 hours. Which it's pretty sad. Oh wait, no, not 1 and 2 hours. Hey guys, so my video cut out a little bit, and yeah, but I'm back. Okay, so I put a blank bit, so it's basically like 2 centimeters up, just like this, and I even decorated it with the creepers and dragon heads. Yeah, I know it's creepy. Okay, let's make the pool. Okay, why the heck? Why is there... I'm not even gonna question. I don't want to question it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, when you don't want to question it, you don't want to question it. Like, you're like, this is too weird for me. This is like, yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna leave you alone, and I hope you leave me alone too. Okay, so now let's make this full diamond. And I just broke my floor under me. Okay. Now let's just make... Hey, why did I come back? You guys saw that, right? I just came back. Okay, now we... There we go. Now there's still water. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it still looks sick. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this is a millionaire mansion. It's pretty sick. Wait. I think I have a few extra little bit of details I want to put in. Okay. And if I put... No. Thank you. Okay, good job. Okay, now let's add this bit. I don't need that large a bit. Okay, let's keep going. So this is enough, yep. I've just seen this, like, a lot of millionaire houses have this. Oh. Okay, boom. Okay, guys, so this is it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
It's black and white.